As we know that India is a vast country and land is not even everywhere, which results in different kind of landforms. Today we will discuss some of the major landforms of India. The first one landform that we come across in upper parts of India is mountain. In the map it is colored in blue. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. Down to that, in green color, the plains are marked. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land and does not change much in elevation within a common area. Or in simple words, a large area of flat land is known as plains. On the left side, in camel color, deserts are marked. A desert is a large area of land, usually in a hot region where there is almost no vegetation. Or we can say a desert is a very dry area of land where few plants and animals can live. Down to that, in red color, plateaus are marked. Plateaus are flat, elevated landforms that rise sharply above the surrounding area on at least one side. A plateau is a raised area of land that is flat on top. Next to that, we have island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Now, as we come to know that land has different forms, and we also know that there are schools in every part of our country. Can you imagine how students in different conditions go to their schools? Let's have a look how students in different parts struggle to reach their schools. In the plain areas like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, roads are constructed in most of the parts and are also suitable for every kind of vehicle. So, in plain areas, people use many vehicles like bullock cart, rickshaw, bicycle, motorcycle, car, truck, etc. And also many local inventions like jugaad in Gujarat are used. In desert areas like in Rajasthan, people use camel cart as camel can travel comfortably and easily in the sand. To cross the water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, and oceans, people use boats, steamers, and ships, and also use some local means of transports like ferry and vallam in Kerala. In the parts of our country like Leh Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, where landform is mountainous, students use different ways to travel to school. Like in this picture, students are going to school by walking through the paths carved in mountains. In valleys, people also use wooden ladders to commute, and whenever they hit an obstacle like river or a valley, they also use trolley to reach to the other side. A trolley is an open box of wood attached to pulley running on iron rod stretched across the obstacle. Students in mountains also use bridge to cross the obstacle. A bridge is a structure that is built over a river, road, or railway to allow people and vehicles to cross from one side to the other.
Now think, when you come to school, do you come across any railway track like this? Where sometimes you find the crossing closed, or like this. Now tell me, by what path would you reach your school early? By a closed railway crossing or by a bridge? Of course, bridge. And which path is safer to travel? A railway crossing or a bridge? Now imagine, if you have to cross a river, how would you cross to reach to the other side? By boat or with the help of a bridge? Now imagine you are traveling to mountains and you have to reach to the next hill. What path would you choose? Now let's sum up the importance of bridges in our life that we have learned in the previous slides. First is, road and railway traffic can run without interruption. Second is, distance between two places can be reduced. Third is, travel time between two places can be reduced. Fourth is, easy transportation of goods. Fifth is, ease of traffic jam. Based on the building material, there are many types of bridges. The first one is wooden bridge. A bridge which is mainly made up of wood is known as wooden bridge. Next to that, tree bridge. A bridge made up of living roots of tree is called a tree bridge. Rope bridge. A bridge made of long pieces of rope tied together with knots and wooden board for people to walk on is a rope bridge. Next is bamboo bridge. It is made up of bamboo sticks tied together with ropes. After that, cement bridge, a bridge made of iron rods and cement. Iron or steel bridge, bridge which is made of iron or steel only.